Hello. In this video, I will examine the gap multiple moving average long indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays 6 long moving averages with high periods on the chart, which we can use as a variable support and resistance area. The periods of the moving averages used in this indicator are 30, 35, 40, 45.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
50 and 60. The calculation method for these moving averages is also exponential. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The only option we have in the input is the color option, which allows us to change the color of these moving averages. Let's watch the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform together. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's watch the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform together. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.